Hi, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to use Mendeley software for citation and referencing. To begin with, let's open a web browser and find Mendeley Reference Manager by logging into mendeley.com. Next, click on the Download Now button to get started. Since I'm using an iOS system, the default software for me is Mac OS. Once the software has been downloaded to your computer, the program is ready to be installed. Now let's launch Mendeley. And here there is another link called Download Mendeley site. Clicking on the button redirects you to Microsoft.com that will allow Mendeley software plugin to integrate into Microsoft Word's program. Note that this setup may require Microsoft Word 2016 or later versions. Simply follow the instructions to sign in into Microsoft App Source by entering your username and password. The next pop-up will connect and redirect you to open the plugin so that it integrates into the Microsoft Word program. It may take a while to install the plugin, and once installed, click on the button Trust the add-in. In the very next step, the Mendeley plugin has been integrated into the Microsoft Word program. Now that the setup is ready to be used, let's open a Microsoft Word page and try out the Mendeley citation for referencing. For this tutorial, let's take an example. Now that we have the sentence, let's find a citation from any of the journals. For example, let's try to use the reference from this article. Click on the download citation and change the format of the file as RIS. Click on the download button to get the citation onto your computer. Now that we have the citation, let's head back to Mendeley. The next step is to import the downloaded citation to Mendeley. The citation can be directly added by clicking Files from Computer, or it can be dragged and dropped into Mendeley software. Since we have the citation file now, it's time to use it for referencing. Let's get back to our earlier sentence and insert the citation. Clicking Insert One Citation will add the citation at the place where the cursor is placed. For publication purposes, every journal has its own referencing style. Let's check how to change the citation style. Click on the citation style and scroll down to select your choice of preference. For example, let's select the Journal of Biological Chemistry and update it. And there we go. The style has changed. Or the Nature journal style. Yep, there it is. Next, I'll show you how to import a style not listed on your Mendeley software. Click another style and type in, let's say, cells. For this tutorial, let's select cancer cell. And there we go. The referencing style has been updated at the end of the sentence. Or another journal, say World Journal of Orthopedics. Update the style. Yep, that works. Now, I'll show you how to keep adding more references. Let's type in another sentence, Win signaling in pancreatic cancer. Another way to import the citation is to directly get the citation without opening the article. Just click on the Export Citation and export it to your computer. Once it is downloaded to your computer, just find it and drag into the Mendeley software. Now let's try to insert it at the end of the second sentence. This can be done by clicking on More and then Update from Library. Once updated, the citation appears in the plugin window. To insert this reference, just put the cursor at the end of the sentence, click on the reference of your interest, and then click Insert One Citation. And there it is. Now that the citations are inserted at the end of the sentences, let's try to display the references we are citing. For example, you might be interested to put it under a subheading called References. To do this, check on the references you want to display and click on More, Insert Bibliography, and continue. Yeah, there it is. The references are now ready to be adjusted with the font sizes and spacing of your interest.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Also, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to put it in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more videos like this by subscribing to my channel.